Hi, boys and girls. It's Mr. Yates and C3PO. And in the first video, we got cut off a little bit. We had some technical issues.
I don't know what all this trouble is about, but I'm sure it must be your fault.
Okay, that's enough you are too. I'm our C3PO. I'm going to put you away right now. And we're going to go ahead and finish up. Right over here, we've got in the first video, we were showing you about comparing where Lena lives, and I was giving you some examples about how to compare. I wanted to give you some also a situation where they both have something the same. And the situation I was starting to talk to you about was how they had their friends were basically sort of very similar. And I said that basically here. Next, they both had the same kind of friends because I noticed in the article all about Ray Skywalker, it says Ray doesn't get close to many people. And the big thing I noticed is that she's found a new friend in Finn who is turning out to be her best friend. Now, what I know, and this is something that they don't mention in the article, but I remember that they talked about how Finn was kind of angry. He was, difficult to be around. But then it turned out that they kind of got to be good friends. And it turns out Finn kind of actually had a kind heart. And that was something I thought, wow, that's really similar to what's going on with Dune in the book, City of Ember. So what I said was that next they both Ray and Lena have the same kind of friend. Ray is best friends with Finn, and that's someone who is kind of angry, but also has a good heart. That is just like Lena's best friend Dune, who has a temper. If you remember in the book, he kind of gets angry a lot of times but can also be very kind. So as you can see, they both have similar friends. And I use that word here to begin with. They both have the same kind of friend. And then I wanted some detail about Ray's friend, and I wanted a detail about Lena's friend. That's what I'd like you to do, boys and girls. I want you to go ahead and use the rest of the essay to talk about other things that are similar and different, such as the things that they do, profession, their jobs that they do, the things that they're interested in, the challenges they face. That means what are the problems they have to solve. And then also I want you to focus on their personality. What parts of their personality do you see that are kind of the same and maybe some things that are kind of different? I want you to go ahead and try to focus on all of these parts. Also, make sure that you use your biceps rubric, and then I think you're ready to go. And if you have any questions, just email Mr. Yates. And C3PO, do you have any more things you want to say right here? Or are you all done?
Oh, no way, beast eating!
All right, I think he's done with me. So we will talk to you later, boys and girls. Bye bye.